We just finished the Cinder Cone Trail. We just hiked to the top of that volcano. Really cool trail if you're in the St. George area. This is probably like 40 minutes from Zion National Park. Here's the footage from our hike. All these different landscapes out here. The white rocks, the mountain trees with the volcano behind us, the red rocks, some mesas in the background. It's pretty cool. Almost to the top of the volcano. Holy crap.
On top of it.
So it's really windy up here. But we're gonna go down to the bottom and check that out. This is at the top of the volcano. Gonna go try to throw the drone up. We may or may not be able to, so we'll see. Let's go check it out. We just hiked the top, which is behind me, of the volcano and around the rim, and now we're headed down to the middle. We're at the bottom of the volcano. We're gonna eat some lunch. We were able to fly the drone a little bit. We just got a little bit of footage. It's still, the gust of wind is just too much to take it up too high. We're not gonna risk losing another drone, but I'm thankful we were at least able to get a little bit of footage. So y'all come check out this trail. It's moderate 1.9 round trip. Not too bad. Little elevation gain though, but come check it out.